Good afternoon, Bears. Welcome back. It's week 5. I'm Raven.
And I'm Jackie reporting from the BTV studio.
Teachers, during second period, please notify your students about bear time. When looking at the spreadsheet, be sure to first find the correct tab at the bottom for the student's grade level and then find their name in alpha order. All students should be listed. Please print them out a pass with the bear times teacher and classroom number.
For those interested in bowling, the bowling team will hold tryouts September 29th from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m., September 30th from 11 a.m. to 6 a.m., October 6th from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m., October 7th from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m., and October 8th from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. The cost is $15 for 8 games. For more information, contact Ms. Byer and C204.
Want to have some fun golfing? If so, the Golden Stars, Starlets, and the golf team have teamed up to sponsor Golfing with the Stars on October 14th. Early registration runs until September 30th. For more information, see coaches Brock, Ryan, or Duncan.
Looking for something to do during the football bye week? Next week, come out and support the theater department's fall show, She Kills Monsters. This is an action-packed story sure to entertain everybody. Tickets can be purchased online or in the Black Box Room B107.
Varsity Lady Bears basketball players will sell bundt cakes for $20 until October 8th. They have 5 different and delicious flavors: lemon, sock it to me, banana nut, Dutch apple, and Mississippi mud.
Finally, let's get out and support our Varsity Bears football team as they take on the Brandeis Broncos tonight at 7:30 p.m. at Ferris Stadium. Here's a short clip from this morning's pep rally.
And let's not forget our Lady Bears varsity volleyball team as they face off against the J Mustangs at 5:30 p.m. at Paul Taylor Gym.
Well, this is all we have for today. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears, and if you miss any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears.
We also have a link on the Berlin website. Have a great day, Bears.
BTV, 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 BTV.